Hello, Terry Wilding here with another construction update here at the MSAD campus. You will soon see the demolition is complete and now they're working on the foundation and the building of the walls. Take a look. What you just saw was the foundation and the starting of the new exterior wall that will eventually connect to Noyes Hall. It will come along this way, and this space will become the new entrance for the buildings. The next steps are establishing proper drainage and backfilling with dirt to the wall. Seems things are progressing rather nicely. I'm now standing on the outside of Noyes Hall near our new exterior door and entry point that leads to our wheelchair lift. It's more accessible for those in wheelchairs, and you will soon see the lift. And although it's not 100% complete this space, the lift is ready for use, but there are a few touch-ups that need to be done. The whole space should be ready and complete within the next couple of weeks.